Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel and another AeroGarden herb update. We are on day 19 of growing, 20th day with the AeroGarden since the setup. If this is your first time here, I'm doing daily updates. We're watching the AeroGarden herbs grow. We're going to be using them in upcoming live streams in recipes. And we've just been kind of following along every day, seeing the growth, seeing what's happening, learning as we go here. Before we get into today's update, I did have a question from Christine, and she had asked how, because when we did the plant feeding, this plant food came with the AeroGarden package, included with all the seeds and everything else as a kit, and we feed every 2 weeks. And she asked how much this cost if we have to buy more. Now, I did a bit of looking. There's lots of different prices. There's lots of different sizes. I'll leave a few links down below into Amazon, but what I did find is the small bottle that it comes with, a refill of this is about, I saw it from different prices between $8 and $10. So think about 10 bucks. But that being said, there is larger, like, so if you really get into this will last quite, this one is 3 ounces. It will last quite a while. There is larger sizes, and I saw it was like a liter size for like $30. So if you're going to be, I think, growing one or more AeroGarden or keep on going, it's probably works out better in your favor and cheaper to buy the bigger size. And you also can use this to fertilize your home plants inside as well. So you might want to buy a bigger size just to give your indoor plants a little bit of a boost. So hopefully, Christine, that answers your question. If you have any more questions, or if anybody else has any questions, let me know down in the comments. It's always kind of fun to learn and research and figure out what how this thing all works. Because it's easy to plan, it's easy to start growing, but there's a few things along the way that doesn't always explain it in the manual. So that's good. And actually, the next thing I have to research, because you'll see in a second here, which is going wild, is the dill is going bonkers. And I am definitely going to have to learn how to properly harvest some dill for a recipe before it starts to like literally take over. So let's take a look at day 19 of growing on the AeroGarden. Okay, here we go. This update is day 20. First day obviously was the unboxing and setup. So we've been planted now for 19 days, and we have 9 days until we have to give another couple of capfuls of the plant food. So let's take a look on where we are. I haven't looked at these. I've looked at them when I took off the cover, but I haven't really done a good look. So we'll see if there's any movement on the mint when we get to there. So obviously in the lead is the dill, and this stuff is going crazy. Check out yesterday's video, and I swear this stuff is like almost doubling in size every day. And I think we're going to be able to harvest some dill there for a recipe. So we'll give that a try. I think we have to maybe wait a little bit longer. I'll have to read and find out exactly how long you should kind of wait until it's good to go, and where to and how to properly trim it. And then of course this is the Thai basil in the front. Lots of basil coming up. We're gonna have, I think in about a week, we're gonna have too much basil. I'll have to probably be giving some away. And then in the third, this is the Genovese basil. This one's coming up nice. We got some more sprouts kind of starting on the bottom. Nice looking basil. And if you actually smell it, it smells, once you rub the leaves, it's got that nice basil smell. So that's cool. And oh, I just saw something here. Hold on before we get to the rest. Hold on. This is actually happening. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. There it is. We've got mint. Not a disappointment. After all, look at that. Just a tiny little mint. So thumbs up for mint, everybody. Thanks for all the thumbs up and encouragement. We've got mint. So they're all sprouted. That's awesome. Look at that. Cool. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. Next one there, parsley. That's almost ready to take off the dome. That's almost hitting the top. So we've got a little parsley there. So excited about the mint. Let's take another look. Look at that. We've got mint. It's probably gonna go crazy now. And then the thyme. Taking its time, but it's there. Little time. And that is the growth for day 19. Well, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining. We've got mint finally. That's so awesome. So everything did sprout. I had a few people kind of say mint can take a little bit more time. I had some friends that have an AeroGarden, and they said, yeah, theirs was late coming up as well. So there we go. We've got mint. We'll keep an eye on that one. It's probably going to go bonkers, and we'll have to figure out some recipes for that one too. I'm also going to learn how to figure out how to take some out and maybe dry them as well, so we can have them for dried herbs. I think we're gonna have too many herbs to actually use. At the rate everything seems to be going, especially that dill, and as the Thai basil starting up here. So kind of exciting. We've got mint, we've got all the rest of the herbs. It's all working. We won't have to send back for a replacement for that one, so that's awesome. Thanks for joining everybody. I'm gonna finish my coffee, and until my next video, I've done the daily ones. You can check out the playlist. I will link the playlist up above so you can check out from the beginning if this is your first time here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, but hit the notification bell because I do regular live streams, so you'll get notified when I do go live. We'll cook a meal typically in about an hour, sharing recipes. It's a lot of fun. You can join in, you can ask questions, you can learn. And if you want to check out yesterday's AeroGarden update, I will leave it at the end of this video so you can check out yesterday's if you missed it. So thanks so much everybody. We've got mint, thumbs up for mint, and have a great rest of the long weekend, and we'll catch you in another AeroGarden update tomorrow. Take care everybody.